Recently, a flood of comments and emails started pouring in, all asking for one thing: live preview feature for my AI startup. So today I have decided to implement it. Now let's get started implementing the live preview feature. I'm trying to replicate this design which I came across in a code editor. It actually has a nice browser like feel, and I'm planning to implement a divider like this where a user can resize the screen. And as usual, I have taken a screenshot of the design that we want. And if you guys are new to our channel, GPT Rush is an AI based tool where you could upload your design screenshot and start building your websites. So this is the prompt that we are going to use today, and I guess this is the lengthiest prompt that I have crafted so far. And now let's quickly copy the existing app.jsx code so that it knows where to add those components. And let's then once again provide our design screenshot that we just took and ask GPT Rush to build our website. So we have gotten our code. So let's see if we could build the UI. Let's copy the entire code preview code and paste it here. We'll add our code preview component inside this div. Hopefully that's the only thing. Now let's see how it looks like. Okay, it's not actually looking bad. It is having exactly what we were looking for. So just the color and little bit of CSS tweaking that we will need. So let's try to do that. So this is the follow-up prompt that we are going to ask. And a prompt engineering strategy that I always follow is whenever the code that it has provided is going in the right direction that I want it to be, I started with the appreciation note. So and if it is not going in the direction that we are looking for, we should start with the negative tone. So since the UI that we have gotten is something that I like, starting to like, so we are starting it with the appreciation note that great, it's starting to take shape, and we are asking it to make the below modification. So firstly, we are asking the header and subheader to have a dark theme, and secondly, since we are changing the subheader to dark theme, we are asking it to make the input box to have a white border. And finally, we are also asking it to add a functionality to this close button so that it collapses the code preview. So it has added the state for on close to the code preview component, and it also has changed a few CSS here. So let's start implementing it. So now let's copy the modified code and replace the old one. Yep. This is looking amazing. Now I have also added a placeholder UI inside the live preview browser, and I have added the backend code where we parse the response from the AI, compile it, and then render it in the live preview browser. And now it's time to test this feature. Yeah, and this is the prompt that I'm going to use. And I'm going to start with a very simple one where we will have a blue button in the center, and below we'll have a counter. Yep, instantly we got the code, and if you see, we also have the counter working. So yeah, the live preview is working, but it's still in very beta stage. So it might not work for all the code, but do check it out. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. Do check out gptrush.io, an AI vision powered platform where you could build your dream websites in minutes. And do subscribe to our channel for more startup updates. And to discuss more, feel free to join our Discord server. Link is in the description below.